By integrating YCloud with HubSpot, you can turn WhatsApp conversations into structured CRM assets that your team can manage, track, and convert. Once connected, your team can 1. Automatically sync WhatsApp leads to HubSpot, so sales and support teams always have full visibility into customer conversations. 2. Assign contact owners and manage conversations directly inside HubSpot. 3. Engage customers across their journey by sending WhatsApp messages through HubSpot automation. Next, let's walk through how to connect HubSpot with YCloud. Step 1. Go to the integration page in YCloud. Find HubSpot integration and click Install. Then authorize the connection with your HubSpot account. After authorization is completed, wait a few seconds and you will be redirected back to the YCloud configuration page. Step 2. Configure the contact properties to sync. Here you can select which YCloud contact properties will be sent to HubSpot when a new contact is created. Then match YCloud properties with HubSpot properties. For example, YCloud's phone number can be mapped to HubSpot's phone number or WhatsApp phone number field. You can decide which fields to map based on your business needs. Step 3 is matching user emails, and this step is optional. If the user emails in HubSpot and YCloud are different, you can manually match them here. When you change a contact owner in HubSpot, YCloud will sync the owner automatically. Step 4. Configure which HubSpot properties appear in YCloud inbox. Here you can choose which properties to display and adjust their order. After integration, HubSpot customer information will appear in the contact panel on the right side of inbox. Step 5. Configure automated messages in HubSpot. In HubSpot, go to Automation and select Workflows, then click Create Workflow and choose from scratch. First, configure the trigger. Select Record Created and set the object to Contact, so the workflow is triggered whenever a new contact is created in YCloud. After saving, choose YCloud under Integrated Apps, then select Send WhatsApp Template Message. Then configure the sender account, the contact number, and select the template and language. If the template includes variables, enter the values below and separate multiple variables with commas. Finally, click Review and Turn On, then turn on Workflow. Now, whenever a contact is created in YCloud, the WhatsApp template message will be sent automatically. You can also check the execution in the Details page, where the action logs show when the workflow is triggered. After completing these steps, your HubSpot integration with YCloud is ready to use. If you'd like to learn more about WhatsApp automation, CRM integrations, and customer engagement solutions, follow YCloud for more updates.